Welcome to the session. In this session, we will learn about removing viruses and malwares. Let's start with the real life situation. Suppose customer comes to you and says that there is a folder on his C drive apsjobs.exe which is getting created automatically. If he will open that folder, there is one more folder with the same name apsjobs.exe inside that folder. This is occupying a lot of space on the C drive and automatically getting created even after deleting it. How will you identify and resolve such issues? This may be a virus problem. So what steps needs to be followed when you suspect that your machine is virus infected? The first step is identify the type of infection. Second step will be clean the infected files using a good antivirus software. And the final step will be educate the user for best security practices. So what symptoms will be there if your computer is virus infected? You may observe a slow performing PC. Some pop-up messages will appear on your screen. Some fake warnings will also appear on the screen. If such a symptom observed on your PC, then you can conclude that your computer may be virus infected. So once you identified that your machine is virus infected, here is a to-do list for this. First of all, disconnect the infected machine from network. Disable the autoplay option from control panel for removable medias such as CDs and pen drives. One more thing to keep in mind is that do not back up the infected files. After completing these preventive measures, we need to implement a good antivirus software so that we can scan the virus infected machine and remove the viruses. So what are the different types of antiviruses available in the market? Home edition antiviruses are generally useful for home PCs. Some personal editions of antivirus are the standalone editions, but corporate environments generally prefer a client-server types of antivirus where a central server first receives the updates from internet and then the clients in that LAN or particular networks will be updated through the central server. Trend Micro and McAfee are some of the popular corporate editions of antivirus. If we consider our scenario, we want to remove the virus from the machine, but we don't have any antivirus available with us. There are many free antivirus softwares available on internet. Avast is one of the good antivirus software that can be downloaded from internet. So we will first download Avast, install the software package, and then we can scan the system using the Avast antivirus software to find the virus infections. As I mentioned earlier, Avast free antivirus is a standalone edition which can be independently installed on a single PC and does not include a client-server architecture for updates. So if we consider our scenario, using any free antivirus software available on internet, we can scan the infected PC to remove the virus. Please note that before using any free antivirus or anti-malware software, you should first check whether this free antivirus is genuine or not, and then only use it to scan your PC. You can learn in details about types of viruses and how to remove them from the following links.